Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you everything you need to understand about India importation, such as how to get started with India importation, how to register on the site and how to navigate on the site, how to set up your profile, among other things. I'm going to teach you in this video as far as everything about India importation is concerned. Okay, but before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also remember to turn on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload content about importation, you'll be able to learn one or two things in the video. And lastly, but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class on importation, either India importation or China importation or US importation. So feel free to contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Let us discuss about premium class on importation. So like I said earlier, guys, since today we are going to talk more about India importation. So let's get to the practical started. But before we go deep into the practical aspect of the tutorial, I would like to explain some of the things you need to understand as far as India importation is concerned. One of the things you need to understand as far as India importation is concerned is that there is no actual, there are different type of products you can import from India importation. And another thing you need to understand as far as India importation is concerned is that India importation is more easy than China importation. It's very less stressful because the site was customized in English, was built on English language. You can chat the supplier, you can get the supplier contact direct and do whatever you want to do on the site. It's not really difficult like Chinese importation. It's not really difficult like China importation. So without any stress or wasting much of our time, so let's get to the practical started. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to access the website via the Google Chrome. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Google Chrome right now, so you can see on the screen of my video. So I'm going to make use of address bar now. So here, so I'm going to type in the name of the site. So all you have to do is to just watch me step by step and see how things are done as far as India importation is concerned. So I'm going to click on my address bar now and type in the name of the website we are going to use for this India importation, which is India Mart. Okay. IndiaMart.com. All right, so if you're very new to the channel, to the website, this is how it's going to open up. This simply means that I've not done anything as far as the site is concerned. You can scroll down and see different products. Now, this site here, you can register direct and you become a full member. So thereby you'll be able to enjoy all the features on the site. Okay. Now, if you are a registered member, you can just log in straight away into the site so that you see all the features. So as far as this tutorial is concerned, I'm going to take you from the beginning step to see how things are done. And another thing we're going to look at in this tutorial is how you can actually install the app and how you can sign up or register on the app also, so that you'll be able to, so you can be able to use either using the website app, or you access the website via your Google Chrome, whichever one is very good for you. You'll be able to do one or two things you want to do on the site. Now, for us to register on the site, all you have to do is to click on here. You see this icon here. Just click on it. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right now. So having clicked on the icon, there are two options present before us to sign up on this particular website. So the first option here is enter your email address, which is this one here. Enter your email address, while the second option is continue using Google. So each of the options, you can choose any one of the options that is very much suitable and easy for you to sign up on the site. Okay, now for this tutorial, I'm going to sign up straight by enter my email address in this box right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on here right now and type in my email address. Now, having typed in my email address, you can see from the top here, it has locates my country, which is Nigerian. So if you are not in Nigerian, it will definitely select your location. Or if you would like to change your location, you can just click on that box and change your location. Well, as far as I'm concerned, I'm in Nigeria, so there's no need for me to change my location. So the next thing you need to do here is to make sure you click on this box here. So I'm going to click on it right now. So when you click on the box, then you click on here to sign in. So you can see now that you have successfully registered. It's as simple as that. So you can see that at the top here, it has changed from the icon to message symbol. So that simply shows you that you have successfully registered on the site. So you can do whatever you would like to do on the site. Okay, so you can scroll down and scroll up and see different products on the site. Okay, so after you enter your email address and you have successfully registered or log into the site, the next thing you have to do is to check your mailbox, because they are going to send you a verify message, so that you need to click on the mail and verify your email address. So what I'm going to do now is to go into my Gmail account to verify the particular email I use for this registration. Okay, so you can see the verification notification from my mail account. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. So verify your contact detail. So I'm going to click on here now to verify. Okay, so I'm going to click on it now. Boom. So this is just the easy way by which you can just register without any stress. So we have successfully registered and verified our email address. So now let's see how you navigate on the site. Now, if you come to the top here, you click on this three dots, three stroke there. Let's see what we have there. So if I click on it right now, you'll be able to see a lot of information as far as the site is concerned, starting from, you can see home and all categories. This is just all the category product. Here you will have your messages. That is when you chat with supplier, you have your messages there. Here you have your search icon, or you search from the home page of the site. Here you post a request, and let's say for instance you have a particular specific type of product you would like to order on the site, so you can post your request from this point. Then here you see all your orders. Okay, Then here you see ship with India mart. Now, these are the things we need to we're going to take into consideration one after the other. Then at the top here, you can see where you have edit profile. So under the edit profile, you can add all your information as far as your name, your email address, and whatsoever as that edit profile is concerned. So now we can just start from, let me scroll down. Then at the top, at the bottom here, you